USCIS just announced a new work authorization option for applicants that are going through the green card process but recently lost their jobs. It's called Compelling Circumstances Work Authorization. And in this video, I'll tell you all about it. Hello friends, welcome back to our immigration channel. This is a place where we explain complicated immigration matters in short, simple videos. And in this video, I'm going to give you a new option for those of you that are going through the green card process. You now lost your job, but you still need to be able to work. There is a new process called Compelling Circumstances Work Authorization. We'll talk about who can apply for it, how do you do this, and how it could impact your future immigration options. But before we do that, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. So what is Compelling Circumstances Work Authorization? Essentially, workers that are going through the green card process and they have an approved I-140 immigrant visa petition, but while they have an approved I-140, they may not have a visa category available for them at the moment. This could be applicable for a lot of applicants from India or in China, that the backlog in the visa availability may be years and years. And as a result, these applicants, if they lose their jobs, they could be in limbo. And as a result, this Compelling Circumstances EAD could be applicable to such applicants. Approved I-140, no visa available, and they have compelling circumstances, they could apply for work authorization up to 1 year. This could be situations where they have some financial issues, they may not be able to pay for their mortgage, maybe out of medical necessities, and a few other things that are listed in the guidelines for compelling circumstances that would allow these applicants to apply for such work authorization. Now, for example, let's say you lost your job, let's say you had an H-1B petition, and you have an I-140 that's been approved from a previous employer. If you file this EAD, this work authorization, during the 60-day period, even after the 60-day period, if you didn't find a job and you want to stay in the United States, you're still going to be considered in lawful status as long as you have this application pending. And so while you're not going to be able to work while the application is pending, as soon as it's approved, you'll be able to work, and there's going to be no need for you to leave the United States, which is a great opportunity and an amazing option for a lot of applicants. The only caveat with this is that imagine you work on this EAD, work authorization, and then your priority date becomes current. You're not going to be able to file an adjustment of status from inside the United States. You'll have to go back home to your US embassy and apply for the immigrant visa at that embassy. And the reason is because this EAD status is not official status, so you won't be able to change your status at that point. And finally, the good news is that your spouse could also be eligible for Compelling Circumstances EAD work authorization if you get one as well. This way, you're both going to be able to work while you're here pending in the United States. So these are amazing news, specifically now that we're seeing all these layoffs and all the incidents with the banks failing. These opportunities, this flexibility with the 60-day rule that USCIS is implementing right now, in the sense that if you are within the grace period and you apply for an application to change your status or extend status, even if the grace period is over, while you're pending, they're still going to be considering you in lawful status. And this EAD opportunity is also very helpful because people are actually going to be able to stay in the country and work while they're waiting for the applications to be processed. So hopefully this information is helpful. If you need help with any of your immigration matters, you know what to do. Just send me a text, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.